To use the contour effects, select the Effects tool and click Contour. Then select which objects to apply the effect on. Click the Contour 1 checkbox until it says Fill. Fill will create as many contours inside the selected object as possible. Distance will determine how far from the selected object's path the contours will be made, and the overlap value will determine how close the contours are to each other. Contour fill is usually used when routing or engraving. This means the distance should be set to the radius of the tool you are using. If you use the overlap option, the contours are placed closer so that the tool will cover even sharp corners where islands could be created otherwise. A good setting for the overlap is 50% of the offset distance. The contour fill can be used on both positive and negative graphics. Just combine the selected graphics with the surrounding frame to get negative graphics and apply the contour fill. Using negative graphics will leave the graphics intact and route out the surrounding area.